Hello everyone, today I'll discuss about how to make instantaneous like us everyone. That is called smile. Everyone know that smile is everything. That is remove our body pain. So in this video I'm talking about importance of smile. So how to smile every day. This very simple. You go to the peace place. Like I go to the Mandir temple. That is help me always make my body good vibe. So it is very simple. Smile is everything. When you talking anyone, make me smile. That is help you. Communication is very good. So everyone know that importance of smile. Everyone know that laughter is best medicine of our health. So every day you smile every day, because smile, breathe, go slowly. If see anyone without smile, give them of your smile, because your smile make your beautiful anyone in this world. Thank you for watching this video. Keep smiling.